Whoa!
It's very fancy. It was so hard to find a ripe ananas. I went to all of the groceries, couldn't find a ripe ananas, and then I went to the most fanciest store. You do? 1 second.
The camera will catch that.
Yeah, the music is on. I can see it as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
Alright, let's see what we get here.
How long was she shaking her head? I swear to God, bro, every time I watch these, I just think of how is this girl busted open? Like, do we? And so, like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, "Oh, when he's talking about,
Nice.
a belt being custom made, just so people understand, bro, you're talking a minimum of 5.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
I got it to happen again. I think it was the same video as before. Same clip.
Not allowed to name any dough today. You get 2 attached doughs. Makes my job very hard.
Please don't ruin it. Don't ruin my great picture.
Listen, when I'm talking about Walgreens, I'm not talking about the pharmacy. I'm talking about regular Walgreens. I don't think.
Exactly. So close. Same amount of letters. So similar. What a typo. So, we are here today to show you that I can do this.
Insurance card. On the front of it, it says, "Do not discuss the fault of an accident with anybody except for the police or your insurance agent."
Damn.
And I remembered it. Peter Pan can fly because he has hollow bones. There's no nutrients
changed his
in
mind about
Peter.
On the show, it was not. No. I mean, of course, it wasn't because of that.
I swear to God,
Jeez, dude.
Alvarez is a show away from saying, "Dave, you're a idiot." I swear to God, bro, he is right there. He's right there.
VT show.
Whoa.
Once again, coming up, we have lightsabers in the news, baby names, and an incredible
If you're a
story
redneck,
about Billy
you might
Bass.
have a Saber
Speaking
Lite.
of Swatch watching.
Yeah, he's a fantastic comedian.
Yeah.
But you know, he's not on a podcast with you.
I just am looking to see a little more out of you guys.
So I think we can agree. I'm not a laborer or a farmer. I'll tell you what I do for a living: travel.
Dude,
It's tougher.
out of my way,
It's harder
Flute
than all the other stuff.
Man.
It is harder than iron working or ironing or whatever.
Deserve any of this, whatever you say. I'm really just one spoiled fox. It's not even funny. It's crazy. Okay. Wait, is
Alright.
that an ebook colored
Signaling for aliens.
This is ebook. I don't like that much of a supporter.
Dang, what the hell's going on here?
No, not a big fan of myself. I prefer Kobi.
Should have been. Oh, dang! I should have been playing Greg
I
Warren.
think Kobi's much cooler. Yeah, as ebook. I live on the 13th floor. I ain't hanging my clothes outside.
Trucks make right turns all the time. What do you think is going to happen? Uh-oh.
Okay, next question. If Kobi is short for Konoobi, is ebook short for Unok? That sounds like Hollow Knight.
I'm not competitive. You know what I'm competitive in? The New York Times crossword puzzle. It's important. You guys do it?
For a musket.
For a blunderbuss.
These are all still in the rectum. A fishing pole.
Oh no! It's gotta be like a pocket
Tiny.
Can't be the whole
Spinning reel or bacon?
Look,
There's so many shows and they're making so many matches at different places. I don't even know where these matches are taking place anymore, bro. It's so freaking confusing, man.
And WWE used to be the trademark of anticipation.
It's all poofy.
They brushed him out. It'll grow back up.
What the heck is going on in there?
Yeah. That's stark.
Could you just make him look like a boy dog, just for a second?
I'm with you on this one.
Yeah.
They just brushed him out.
You should just be able to ask for, can I have a masculine cut for my boy dog?
Not too sure.
Who counts the hits? Huh?
They must go back and watch the video.
Absolutely, yeah. There's
You can beat the horse.
That's an
just
impressive
not
blood splatter.
Yeah. You can smack the hell out of him 6 times.
Explore to understand what's happening. Yeah.
Rough one.
Damas, thank you for the follow. There are like 16 Kobis. What? I don't know the B movie. Ah, you mean the B movie? As in the B movie? I watched it.
Damn.
You can make it into underwear, Pat. Save it. And spin it.
Seriously. From your clothing. The fibers from the clothing. You're going to start seeing puppy hair.
Oh, I was looking at
Oh. Spaghetti in the
that.
road right there.
That was my focus. I was
Came out, they would have been like, you can't have these in my class. Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, the fact they're allowed is what's shocking to
Oh,
me.
more paint.
Yeah. It really is shocking.
It'll
This way, take it to your table.
Oh, more paint splatter.
We're over here. I hope you don't mind, but there was only, we only have this